Hello everyone, this is Ian from CellarControl and I'm here to talk to you about beer line cleaning best practices. But firstly, we're going to talk about the root causes of beer line contamination and the current best practices to maintaining your beer system and why they are due for review. Then I'm going to run you through our brand new best practice that not only allows you to serve the perfect beer, but also significantly reduces wastage and provides a safer work environment with less labor. So let's get started. So by understanding in more detail how beer contamination occurs, we can scientifically demonstrate how modern technology and procedures can improve your beer quality while providing a safer working environment, reducing your wastage, and saving you money at the same time. So let's jump right in and take a look within a beer line. This illustration is a cross-section of a beer line with biofilm growth. Biofilm is the cause behind the growth of bacteria within a beer line. It acts like a glue on the beer line walls, containing yeast and bacteria. It enables a further growth and spread of wild yeast, lactic acid, and other harmful bacteria which affect your beer quality. Over time, this biofilm causes higher bacterial growth. Biofilm growth happens quickly, and within 2 weeks, this can have a noticeable negative effect on your beer quality. This biofilm growth is typically treated by regular line cleaning. The current procedures to remove this biofilm growth and maintain your beer system are typically conduct beer line clean to remove biofilm buildup, either weekly or fortnightly. Use a caustic line cleaning chemical. Clean your couplers and your taps on a regular basis. If in doubt, clean more often. And this varies by location, depending on who you speak to in what area. On top of that, there is no general consensus on the many critical aspects of maintaining a beer system. Everyone has their own ideas. Flowback systems, the correct pouring techniques, line cleaning processes, warm versus cold storage, just clean more often, the types of chemicals, detergents, fast or slow moving beers, which makes the biggest difference to quality. Without a set guide on the best way to maintain beer quality that's been proven over time, it's difficult to keep a beer system running as it should be. Now, there are people out there that will recommend if you're having an issue with your beer system to just clean more often. But there are so many more contributing factors that could be causing your issue that won't be addressed by line cleaning. It does not address other likely issues, such as build-up within your couplers and your tap heads. It also doesn't address system issues, such as glycol problems, bad kegs, incorrect dosage, glass washer issues, weak chemicals, or insufficient or incorrect procedures. Simply cleaning more often does not fix these issues. Here's an example of build-up within couplers. Now, additional line cleaning will not fix this issue, and it will impact beer quality. Also, build up on a tap head and a damaged beer line. Again, additional cleaning will not fix this issue. The specific problem needs to be addressed. There are venues out there that have switched to a 3-week cleaning cycle to save on wastage, but this is really playing with fire. Firstly, you're looking at minimal savings at the cost of poor beer quality. How do we know this? Over the years, we've conducted dozens of bacterial tests at pubs and clubs across Australia, and bacterial growth is exponential. And going beyond 2-week cleans is dangerous without the correct equipment and growth prevention technology. It's simply not worth the risk. Let's get down to numbers and see how the current procedures stack up financially. A typical fortnight cleaning cycle has significant chemical usage, beer and water wastage, high labour costs, more handling of unsafe caustic chemicals. They are typically a reactive rather than proactive measures. They're prone to error and they don't provide the best beer quality. But the good news is there is a better way. Introducing the new best practice. It uses modern technology to improve beer quality, reduce cleaning cycles, and systemize your beer system. It reduces beer wastage, chemical usage, and labour costs by up to 80%. It has scheduled maintenance on key beer system equipment. It has biofilm growth prevention with CellarControl. It uses safe, effective cleaning solutions such as multi-enzymatic cleaners. It's perfect for craft beers, and it's scientifically proven to improve beer quality. Before we start, I'd just like to share a testimonial from Matt Webster from the Beer Line Cleaning Company. He works with some of Sydney's biggest and most prestigious venues. He offers a 6-week cleaning cycle with CellarControl and is still delivering the beer quality that customers expect. It's without a doubt that all venues should be investing in this technology.
So let's kick off with an overview of the new best practice. There are 4 main components to the system as a whole. Firstly, we have CellarControl. It's a biofilm inhibitor which improves beer quality and allows you to extend your line cleaning intervals. Second is MaxiEnzyme, a HACCP certified multi-enzymatic cleaner, which is safe and very effective. Thirdly, set guidelines on cleaning ancillary equipment to ensure there's no ambiguity and everything is covered, and ongoing checks and troubleshooting.
So what is CellarControl? CellarControl is installed in the cool room and acts as a biofilm inhibitor within your beer lines. It allows you to extend your line cleaning to 6 or even 8 weeks, reducing beer and water wastage, chemical usage, and labour costs by up to 80%, while actually improving your beer quality. It's scientifically tested and endorsed by government-approved laboratories. More on that a bit later. And it was first installed in 2007 with hundreds of long-term clients across Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. It's easily installed on any venue and works 24/7. It's a proven way to reduce wastage and extend your line cleaning while improving your beer quality. And how does CellarControl work? CellarControl uses sweeping sound technology. It's a proven way to inhibit biofilm growth, thereby reducing bacterial growth, allowing you to serve great quality beer with less line cleaning. Remember, biofilm growth acts as a glue for bacteria, yeast, and other nasties to grow and spread within your beer lines. By inhibiting this growth, you can extend your line cleaning cycle, and less growth means a better beer. CellarControl is a key component in the new best practice. To ensure that CellarControl is helping you serve the absolute best beer possible, the CellarControl team has undertaken extensive testing over many years, including dozens of on-site tests with Australia's leading food and beverage laboratories. Firstly, Eco Diagnostics is a leading government-accredited laboratory specialising in beer testing for major brewers. Their testing verified that CellarControl maintains low bacteria and wild yeast levels right up to 6 weeks since a line clean. Furthermore, ALS is a leading provider of food and pharmaceutical analysis and has undertaken dozens of on-site tests with fantastic results. More on that a bit later. In summary, CellarControl is a proven way to keep your beer lines clean and serve the best beer possible.
Next, we have MaxiEnzyme Beer Line Cleaner. This product is a real game changer in beer line cleaning technology. Firstly, it's non-hazardous, non-corrosive, and 100% biodegradable. And it uses what's called multi-enzymatic cleaning, which breaks up and removes biofilm growth and sediment, making it a very effective cleaner. It's also HACCP certified, meaning it's food safe and actually the only chemical on the market to be HACCP certified. It's validated by the Camden BRI, and because it's food safe, it's perfect for soaking beer taps and couplers.
And last but not least, this process comes with a comprehensive line cleaning checklist that covers every aspect of your beer system. All you need to do is follow the step-by-step guide, tick every box, and your beer system will be kept at peak efficiency and you'll be serving great beer. This is our holistic approach, which encompasses your entire beer system to make beer quality the #1 priority while still reducing wastage and workload. Now it's time to see who is using this system and dive into some real-world results that some of our venues are achieving with the new best practice in beer line cleaning. Since 2007, we've been working with venues of all sizes, from small country pubs to Australia's leading pub and club groups, to ensure top quality beer while reducing their line cleaning costs. Many of these are long-term clients. In fact, we still work with our very first client installed in 2007. Now let's take a look at the results. Firstly, let's look at some before and after results showing on-site bacterial testing, using 150 lashes in this case, before and after CellarControl was installed. As you can see, there was a significant improvement following the installation of CellarControl, even though the line cleaning cycle went from 2 weeks up to 6 weeks. This shows that even with an extended cleaning cycle, CellarControl actually improves beer quality. Our first case study is Chatswood RSL. This venue is a long-term client. In fact, CellarControl was installed in August of 2009, and bacterial testing was conducted in August 2016, 7 years later. ALS conducted the testing on 5 tap beers, and the results show a perfect result for wild yeast and lactic acid counts. The lower these counts, the better the beer quality, and they're being maintained at the lowest possible level. This shows that CellarControl can protect your beer lines and produce consistent results even after years in operation. Our next case study is the Terminus, an iconic Melbourne gastropub that has been part of the North Fitzroy community fabric for almost 150 years. At the heart of its craft beer garden is 16 rotating craft beer taps, featuring breweries from Australia and overseas. Installed in May 2019 with bacterial testing completed in October that year, the bacterial results again show a perfect result. Maintaining craft beer quality is a very important aspect in the modern cellar room, and these results show that CellarControl is the most effective craft beer cleaning system on the market today. We also have many more case studies available on our website. Just visit cellarcontrol.com.au/case-studies. In summary, let's take a look at the old practice and the new practice side by side. The old practice is expensive. It costs a lot of money to maintain your beer lines every week, 2 weeks. It also produces a lot of waste, beer wastage, water wastage. It's inconsistent. It lacks key steps, and it produces ultimately average results. Compare this to the new best practice. It actually saves money. It significantly reduces wastage by up to 80%. It's consistent. It's a full holistic approach to your entire beer system, and it produces exceptional beer quality results. It's a proven, consistent approach to beer system maintenance, resulting in top quality beer with less wastage and saving you money. We've also created a handy step-by-step guide to maintaining your beer system with the new best practice, including timelines on what you need to do and when you need to do it, as well as the ongoing maintenance and checks you need to do to ensure you're serving the perfect beer. You can download the guide at cellarcontrol.com.au/guide. So I'm sure by now you can't wait to get started. If you're ready to implement the new best practice into your venue, we would love the opportunity to work with you. It's easy to do, and we can help you with every step of the way to introduce this system and are on hand to answer any questions you may have. If you'd like to set up a meeting, simply give us a call on 1300 6 weeks or visit our website at cellarcontrol.com.au and we can get the ball rolling. Just go to contact us. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope it's given you an insight on modern day cleaning techniques and the huge benefits it can have for your beer quality and your bottom line. If you're looking to get started, check out our website at cellarcontrol.com.au. There you'll find more information on how the system works, testimonials, case studies, and how to get in touch with us. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.